We are here at the Tintic Reduction Mill. It's an abandoned mill up south of Provo, about 30 minutes. Here with Cord, his girlfriend, Connor Boss, just guys from lacrosse, one of Cord's friends from St. George, and then Ty and his girlfriend are gonna be coming up later. But let's go explore this old mill, why don't we? My phone right now. Alright, I'm gonna try and get off this thing. As you can probably hear, it's very windy, so it makes balancing a little more difficult. But so far this place is pretty sick. Probably have to use my flashlight from this point forward to explore. Hey, hopefully that's not overexposed. Who's that? That's Connor. Sketch. Don't rip my backpack. Yes! Oh! That'll hurt. Ty is calling us again. Hello? They're on their way. So let's head back over there and we'll catch up with them and then keep exploring. Okay? Okay. We're going to go into this hole. Which honestly, I can't see the end of it, but it's probably just a normal hole. Nothing too crazy. So from what I understand, this used to be a silver reduction mill, which I don't know for sure what that means, but I'm assuming it's like where they brought silver ore to be melted and like reduced to silver. But who really knows, to be honest. It is cool though. down this side and walk to the center, and there's like a foot by foot little platform you can stand on. Why? Are you not a good balancer?
No, I have 0 balance.
I wouldn't do it then, because the wind gets sketchy.
I was gonna say I'm like scared to even do this, but
Don't fall, Connor.
Alright. Very.
Okay, I can't see when they point the light at me. Through the tunnel. Huh. Ah. Okay.
Did you see a wall?
Yeah.
See on the other side, CJ.
In theory.
Oh shit.
Oh no, we're fine, we're fine. Yes! It definitely looked scarier from the top.
Yeah.
Still kind of creepy.
It's still scary. My head's too big.
Dude, this is sick. Definitely worth a visit. Definitely worth a visit.
Is there any nails I'm gonna grab one?
Nope. Oh, that was.
I need help. No, CJ needs your help. That's what I came to.
You said there's a car by our cars?
For what?
You said there was a car by our cars?
Just us.
You're dope. Hey, the first nice message.
Yeah, seriously.
face. Is that what that says?
The alien's kind of cool.
This one's a little bit vulgar.
It's like Jordan.
Well said. Well said. Well said. Yeah. Let's see the long number.
It's like a goldfish thing?
Oh my gosh. I won't need Jake because he's easy.
No, I'm not gonna film you peeing, Connor.
Yes, actually found it before you did.
Well, thanks for pointing it out, Jess.
Next time. Just want to
This would be cool filled with water. Oh! Did you squash Jess?
I almost got yes. I'm gonna go this way.
It's probably smart.
And drink
Okay, I think we've about almost explored this whole thing. Just got one little piece left, and then we're gonna head home. This one is really sick. That stencil's so cool. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the art and the little tour. If not, I don't know, click away, I guess. But if you are, you could subscribe, that'd be cool. And like the video, so we can keep doing cool adventures. That alien's cool.
You can get in it.
It kind of stinks in here. Oh. Bro, there's water in this one. It's way down there at the bottom, and it honestly looks like just spilt paint. But this hole is deeper than that hole, so that's confusing. It might be water or paint. Oh, there's an octopus.
Have
Three-legged octopus.
Oh yeah.
See, when I shine the light on myself, I can't see the ground. But then if I don't, oh gosh, then you guys can't see me. But we're on top of the little circle. And we're just gonna keep exploring. I know, this is pretty cool to me. It's kind of eerie. Oh, there's more water in this one too. We're heading home.